As a resource advisor, we're the go-between between the field office and the suppression resources on the ground. So we try to represent the field office and our priorities, the resource values that are on the ground.
As far as the resource advisor goes, anything that was altered or damaged during fire suppression is what we want to repair. Culverts and roads, fences, creek crossings.
Perfect.
We've got stuff like dozer line and hand line. You can see behind us, the dozer has come back and laid over the berm, and he's just going to give it one more good pass and kind of shape it up and contour it so that we don't have a whole lot of inconsistency in it, and that actually the dozer tracks make great micro habitat for seed to drop in and then establish in there. Like on this fire, the Bear Creek fire, we're thankful that we've had cooperation from some major landowners. And so because they've allowed access and allowed us to use their facilities, we try to leave them in as best shape as we can.